Welcome to our virtual tour of the Central Library of the State and University Library Bremen. The entrance is located on the boulevard of the University campus. In the entrance area on the left side is the coat check. First you have to leave your jackets and bags there. There are baskets for transporting valuables and work materials through the library. If you need any stationery, you will find there also a vending machine. There are notes, pens, highlighters and USB sticks for purchase. In the foyer are two lounge areas where you can meet each other and take a break. On the right side is a small cafeteria with some snack machines in case you need something for your break. There are two computers in front of the right lounge area for the library card registration. The library card is for borrowing books and using our computer workstations. Continue on the first floor. On the left side is the lending desk. You can get your library card there. Also, the librarians lend and take back books there. Reservations can be picked up and fees can be paid at the landing desk. Alternative, the self-checkout machines can be used for borrowing books. For returns, there's a return box on the boulevard of the University campus open around the clock. The central information desk is located on the right side. There you will receive general information on how to use the library, assistance with research and searching in databases. On the first floor you will also find some of our computer workstations. You can use them with your library card. Also on the first floor is the interlibrary loan department. The librarians there will answer all questions about interlibrary loan. Please note the opening hours at the door. Interlibrary loan requests can be collected at the landing desk. Directly in front of the interlibrary loan department are various shelves. These are the pickup shelves for the closed stack requests. 2/3 of our book stock is in the closed stack and has to be ordered via our catalog. The ordered books are delivered from the closed stacks and placed on the shelves. On the right side of this is the periodicals reading room. The current daily press and trade journals are available there. The periodicals reading room has a lounge area where you can read because the periodicals cannot be borrowed. For first orientation, the general floor plan is located behind the self-checkout machines. On the second, third and fourth floor, there you find 1/3 of our entire book stock, sorted by subjects. On the second floor are the natural and social sciences, and on the third floor are the humanities. In addition to the book collection, there are also a large number of workstations on each floor, with and without computers. On the fourth floor, in addition to a large area of workstations, there is also the media center. In the media center, there is nearly everything in form of media. For example, vinyl records, CDs, CD-ROMs and DVDs. The highlight of the fourth floor is our roof garden. There you can take a deep breath and sunbath between stressful phases of your work. The roof garden is open between the 1st of April and the 31st of October within the opening hours of the library. We are looking forward to your visit.